birthday photo shoot. My birthday is next Friday, so I'm trying to get some stuff together before I head on out over there. So since I have, you know, 2 photo shoots this weekend, I was like, maybe I should just vlog it, and it's been a minute since I've actually vlogged. So I said, what a perfect moment to actually do that. And honestly, I wasn't even going to do like anything like a photo shoot, nada, because, you know, this whole corona is just really messing up my plans. I was going to have a birthday party, but that I had to cancel it because I didn't want people getting sick or, you know, blaming me for them getting sick. I just, you know, I was like, nope, it's not happening. And just, it kind of sucks because I've never really had like a huge party. And so this year, you know, I wanted to do something big, but unfortunately 2020 is not the year. We'll see how today goes with the photo shoot. I'm pretty excited. I'm shooting with Twigg. He has done a couple of my photo shoots, and I absolutely love his work. Yeah, if you are in Arkansas and, you know, want a photo shoot, hit him up. He will hook you up for real. His work is amazing, like legit amazing. So since I didn't even have time to go and get my nails done, besides I don't even get my nails done anymore because of work. So myself, I'm gonna put some fake nails on. These are super cute, okay? I got these at Walmart. I use them for my photo shoot that I had with my boyfriend, so I'm gonna use them. What'd you bring me?
Oh, you got me some gloves.
Yes, my fave. Well, we're about to get some food here at Taqueria Gonzalez in Conway, Arkansas.
Get some birria tacos. I heard they were bombs, so we gonna see.
We're gonna find out.
Get like 50 tacos. No, no hay problema. Gracias, muchísimas. Igualmente, gracias.
Ooh.
I've never had this right here. Never had this, so this is the first time. First time we're on the consomme. If y'all don't know what consomme is, Google it, because I don't know what it is either. But I heard it was bomb as hell. Let me give y'all a little something. So this is a consomme. My boy Manuel, he's like, come on, pull up, dude. Get you some good shit. We're gonna see. My mouth is watering. I swear. So
Looks
this is
so
dip
good.
it. And we got some agua de pepino with limon. We're gonna see what's up.
But I got my claw. Okay.
So we got tacos de birria with the consomme. This is our first time. Here's your first time too, huh?
It's the first time.
First time
Trying
on
these tacos.
and consomme. So I was saying I don't really know what consomme is, but I see it everywhere. It looks so bomb. Look at these tacos, man. Boy, birria. Ooh. Because I don't want to, it's like so messy. I'm like, Here, here's one napkin.
Napkin.
Here, let me go first. Need this. Let me dip it.
Oh my gosh. Don't make
It'll be alright. It'll be alright.
What you mean it'll be alright? Yeah?
Fuck yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Oh. That shit's fire, man. Man, birria. Man, A1, huh? I remember, oh my god.
Okay.
I love birria. Birria's always been my favorite. They got the cebolla, cilantro, eso. Woo. Let me dip it.
Spill my drink. I'm already tipsy, Memo. OMG. I like how it's so cheesy. I like it cheesy. We are out here with Twigg. Gonna do my birthday photo shoot.
Do it.
I need one of these too.
These are like super cheap. Right here, just get them on Amazon. Oh, there you go. Nice snag.
Pero ya tengo uno que me hiciste.
They sell those? You should have
Yeah.
looked that up before I made one. I
Yeah.
made her one.
Oh, what are
With
these like
TV?
adjustable things right here?
Nah. I
With
made it
the
with,
white pipes, those pipes
yeah,
or
yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, the PVC pipe.
Yeah.
That's what I want in frame.
Good, good.
Man, I should have got you slipping.
You're making another YouTube video?
Yes.
Like this was a building right here. Like it went all the way through.
Oh, really? They
And
took it
then-
down?
Yeah, they took this one down because one of the buildings actually fell down over here. And so they just made this into like a little park area. But yeah, it feels a lot better in the shade.
We got a little
¿Cómo veo?
good.
Don't lie to me.
Get you in focus. And one more.
Mira, traigo mi cloth.
¿Te lo traigo? No.
Test shot number 3.
Right. Photo shoot was a success. I'm literally sweating. It's so freaking hot outside. Let me cloth.
Refresh yourself with a claw.
Yes.
I got 10 shades
It was
dark.
a hot mess. Look at my hair. I'm excited for you guys to see my pictures. They came out so good. Thank you for going with me,
You're welcome. It was fun.
supporting me.
It was fun.
Yeah?
Right?
Yeah. What? Do I got confetti on
You
me?
got confetti on your eyelash. First one. Oh, I hit you with my hand.
So, since we had leftovers from earlier, we decided to get some marucha and test it out, the birria in it. Let's see how good these are.
We'll see. We put birria, consommé, and sopa maruchan. I seen it, and yeah, Conway is where it's at for the birria. Taqueria Gonzalez, straight up. His mom.
A mí casi ni me le echaste carne. I only have a
Just
little
a
bit.
little bit.
Nomás a little bit.
Yeah, it's just a little bit. It's all about the consommé. I put salsa in mine. That's a little hot.
You put some in mine too, didn't you?
A little bit. It's good. It's different. It's a. You want a little bit of water? It's my brother water.
Holy shit.
Man, it's so good though.
First of all,
This is the way. I
I
don't think
don't like nothing picoso. It's too spicy for me.
I've only put a little bit.
Ew. It's
Man.
spicy. I'm still eat it though.
Y'all ever get a chance to make this? Y'all need to make it.
Hey babes, so I am on my way to northern Arkansas to Springdale to my other photo shoot that I am having, and it's going to be with Irlanda, who is owner of Ainoha's Lash Boutique. It's going to be me, her, and a few other girls. She sent us the new eyeshadow palette that she came out with, which will be available on the 15th of this month, which is July, and she wanted us to create a look Cynthia acá. Look at her getting ready for a photo. Sesh. Digan hola for mi vlog. Acá nomás alistándose. Okay. Are we taking shots or what?
We are, but we left them in the car. The glasses.
Let me go ask her real quick.
Oh, I do have shot glasses.
You do?
Like little plastic ones, and the one closest to the fridge.
Okay.
The whole-
Okay. What does she have? Some tequila rose. Okay. Oh, she made us goodie bags. How cute is this? Thank you for your time and effort. Take one, babe. Oh, she's so cute.
Con los cristales tinteados.
No, yo no sé perrear, okay? No. Negative. Negative. That's not happening. It's not So that was a wrap on the photo shoot. I am so glad that I came out here, and I'm so happy that Irlanda has made me part of her team. Like, I cannot thank her enough, and so glad that I met everybody. Everybody was just super nice, super humble. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, whatever. You know, show your girl some love, and I appreciate you all for watching.